think it needs to be lowered in the back more. All good. Yeah, we're getting this thing in for an alignment today. So, I look like a mess, bro. I need a haircut. Anyway, hopefully that'll fix our back tire issue, how it's wearing very unevenly. And then I just put new tie rods in and new tires, so hopefully all that will make it go straight again now after this alignment. Also, I might need a power steering rack, but it is what it is. There's always something with this car. We're at YST Tuning today. These guys are sick. They definitely know what they're doing with exotics because they got a lot of them here. But it's gonna take an hour, so I'm gonna get picked up and then come back because everyone's at work and it's so early. But it's gorgeous out today. All right, guys, we just got this back. Got the alignment papers here. Got a cool picture up here. This is what it was. Pretty bad. All right. And that's what he got it to, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna rock with that. He showed me I have a, oh my, I think sick. He said I have a brake leak. I think it's back here. Yeah. So you can see right here it's leaking. Right where I'm pointing to. It's leaking right there. So we gotta tighten that. But we're aligned now. And I'm gonna go test it out. But my suspicion, oh my god, the seat, bro. What the? My suspicion is I need a new, oh my god, I adjusted the steering wheel too, bro. So that's what we got to figure out next. And then hopefully this thing will be good. I've just been going into problem after problem with this. All right, guys, so we're back at the crib. New tires. So it's going pretty straight now, but we do have that clunk. And driving at about, I don't know, 80 plus, the wheel's like back and forth. The car's like going back and forth like it doesn't know where to go, or like it has a loose tie rod. But I just bought brand new tie rods, put them on, and then got the alignment. So it's definitely not the tie rods. Ball joints are brand new at the bottom, so it's definitely not the bottom ball joints. I've had the front car jacked up, and I've tested everything for play, and there's no play. It's only when the car's down, sitting on its own weight, and I move the steering wheel back and forth, and you'll hear the clunk. But I'm thinking that's the power steering rack. What are these? InGen's A1. I don't know what they are, but apparently they had some really good reviews. $90 a tire is pretty cheap for brand new tires. This is my first brand new set I've ever bought. But exhaust, looking fire. All right, so it is what it is. It's just a quick fix. Now I think I'm just gonna detail this thing because it hasn't really been driving. I've been messing around with it a lot, but I'm gonna clean it up now, do some vacuuming in here because it's disgusting, and then just take it for a drive now with the alignment, the exhaust, and the new tires.